Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen about Chat Avenue IP ban solutions. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't matter or that you don't care about, just to make this video 15 minutes long, I'm going to straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs to bypass Chat Avenue IP ban right now, plus a few key things about each one, so you can pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me out there, I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab my whole research doc completely free and read it for the rest of the year. No joke. Let's jump in. Here are the top 3 VPN services to bypass Chat Avenue IP ban, and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Chat Avenue IP ban. Why? First, it just works seamlessly with Chat Avenue. No bans triggered. Super important, right? Speed. It's literally one of the fastest I tested, meaning quick reconnections and no annoying delays getting back on Chat Avenue. Features. It's packed with the most features out there. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it. It's got you covered to stay safe and unblocked. Pricing and support. Affordable for what it offers, and their support team is top-notch if you hit any snags. Logs? Nope, they don't keep any. That's a fact. Encryption? They use the best tech to keep your identity hidden while bypassing bans. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no issues, and pretty cheap for what you get. Negatives, 10 device limit. Second best VPN for Chat Avenue IP ban is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built for pure performance and reliability. Speed, incredibly fast with consistently low ping. No lag spikes or drops when reconnecting after a ban. Features, all the essentials plus extras like a reliable kill switch and split tunneling. Great if you only want Chat Avenue traffic routed through the VPN. Pricing and support. One of the best values out there, often cheaper than competitors, but still delivers top-tier performance. Support's fast and helpful. Logs? Nope, they don't keep any. Their no-logs policy is independently audited. Encryption? Uses AES 256, the best encryption tech available. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which might make some privacy nerds nervous, but their no-log audit checks out. Also, their server network is smaller compared to others. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for bypassing Chat Avenue IP ban while keeping great value. Third best VPN for Chat Avenue IP ban is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization here. Perfect if you face frequent IP bans and need options. Speed, very good. The huge server network means you can always find a fast, uncrowded server to beat Chat Avenue's bans. Features, it's packed, kill switch, great ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here, so you can tailor your protection when accessing Chat Avenue. Pricing and support, almost always the cheapest premium option. Support's pretty good and professional. Logs? No logs. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best encryption tech available, and it's customizable to your needs. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US based. Also, the app interface isn't as clean as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. Best if you're on a budget but want a massive server network and advanced features to dodge Chat Avenue IP ban. And that's it. My top 3 picks to bypass Chat Avenue IP ban: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you just pick one based on colors or logos, you'll be more than fine because they just work perfectly for Chat Avenue IP ban. Quick recap to wrap this up. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for Chat Avenue IP ban with that premium experience packed with tons of features and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that delivers incredible value. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but still want a VPN with a massive server network and tons of advanced features to avoid Chat Avenue bans. My job's done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description, so you get the best prices available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.